Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a document on Mac. First, locate your desired PDF document, perhaps on your desktop or in your Downloads folder. Double-clicking this file will automatically open it within the Preview application. Preview is Apple's built-in image and PDF viewer, making this process incredibly simple and accessible for everyone. It is the default program for most document types. With your document open in Preview, look towards the top of the window for the Markup toolbar icon. It appears as a small pen tip inside a circular outline. Click this icon to reveal the entire set of markup tools. This toolbar offers numerous options for editing, annotating, and of course, adding your signature to the document. It is your gateway to digital signing. Now, within the expanded Markup toolbar, locate the Signature tool. It resembles a stylized cursive letter S icon. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Create Signature. You then have three excellent options for creating your unique digital signature. Use your Mac's trackpad to draw it, utilize your computer's camera to capture a signature from paper, or even sign directly on your iPhone. Choose the method most convenient for you. Once you have successfully created your signature, it will instantly appear as a digital image within your open document. You can easily click and drag this signature to move it precisely to your desired location on the page. To resize your signature, simply click on one of its corner handles and drag it inward or outward until it is the perfect size. This flexibility allows for accurate placement on any signature line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.